Alright, YouTube, we're going to see how well this clear coat stuff I got in is. Here is a side marker lens off of a 90 series Thunderbird I just happen to have lying around. I cleaned it up, as you can tell, nice and clear. Well, as much as you can hope. It ain't brand spanking new, but it's darn clear for a side marker of that age. And let's see here, we got our Rust-Oleum clear gloss clear coat here. So what we're going to do is we are going to put this stuff on the side marker. I'll let it dry for a couple days and see how well this stuff works. Give you an update here in a few days. Thank you. Alright everyone, after applying the coat, after somewhat getting it clean, I let it sit overnight. It's been sitting for about 24 hours in correct humidity and within 50 to 60 degrees. Ended up turning out pretty good. No weird film or anything. I didn't get it 100% clean on this test, so I have a little bit of, feel from the dirt and whatnot on it. But overall, pretty good. Putting a light behind it, I got no weird film or anything like that from it. Doesn't give any weird glare. Does its job pretty well. I was fairly impressed with this. Obviously, you apply a single coat approximately 6 to 10 inches away from the surface that you're applying it to. But, really did a nice job. I plan on, once I get the good old Thunder Chicken's headlights cleared up, sanded down, and get that fogginess out of there that's on there already and yellowing. I hope to actually get these cleared up. I will probably test this on the Ranger first, which is what I'll probably be doing, as they are almost cleared up nicely. And after a few more times sanding them and stuff, I'll get those cleared up, and I'll actually do a live test and show you guys that. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.